All right, let's head to the courts now. Give us more support. That's the call from the leadership group of Netball Jamaica following the Sunshine Girls' historic silver medal performance at the Commonwealth Games in Birmingham, England. Vice President Simone Forbes has joined the call for compensation for the players. Jerome Foster reports.
Girls captured the hearts of many with their stunning performances in Birmingham, England, where they took the scalps of world number 1 Australia and number 2 New Zealand before falling short in the gold medal clash to the Aussies at the Commonwealth Games. But even though they fell short of the ultimate goal, the girls are seen as winners by Vice President Simone Forbes.
It's not the medal they were hoping for, they were playing for, but it is historic nonetheless. And I know they are happy. We are happy. I felt like I won a silver as well, and I don't think any medal I've ever won compares to this one. So it's really a wonderful feeling, especially knowing that these ladies play without getting paid. They play without getting a stipend, and it's pure love.
Forbes, however, feels the girls have been operating behind the 8 ball in comparison to the other top-rated teams.
It's really the best team I've ever seen in Jamaica, and I'm talking about netball. And I played, so I can tell you. But I'm really happy that we are beginning to get some support, and hopefully, which is our hope, that we'll be able to pay our players. In the top 5, we're the only country that our ladies don't get paid. Australia, New Zealand, England, even South Africa, they pay their players to play. Jamaica, we don't even give them a stipend.
The girls were afforded an international mix with the introduction of defensive specialist and performance analyst Rob Wright. And his remedy was simple.
What I tried to do when I came in was to make sure that I kept the Jamaican way and the Jamaican flavour, because they're really good at it. So it wasn't changing too much, it was more just some little adjustments and some structure that we just added. And so I think it was quite easy for them, because to me, I just built on what they're already good at.
But as good as the team is now, Forbes is banking on greater support to elevate the team to the next level.
Australia and New Zealand, I took a picture of Jamaica. We had four members on their management team. Australia had 11. They had 11 members in addition to their 12 players. So it just shows that they have the resources. But hey, guess what? We don't have it. However, our girls make do with what they have. I'm hoping that the performance that they had or displayed at the Commonwealth Games is enough.
Jerome Foster, TVJ Sports.